At the end of this video, you'll know the exact way of how to build your dream team with vendors and know the exact formula you need to follow for every vendor you find. In case you don't know me already, I'm Shanice Banas. I am a pro organizer and lifestyle blogger / wedding planning expert for my site, cityofcreativedreams.com. So, how do you build your wedding dream team with vendors? We're going to talk about that today. I'm going to show you my step-by-step S.C.O.U.T formula. What S.C.O.U.T breaks down into is searching, connecting, observing, you asking them out, and talking. Step 1, researching. Do your research. This means read reviews. See what other couples have said about their work, which also means you need to see their work. Do your homework. Yes, I said do your homework. Make yourself a wish list of your favorites. Step 2, connect. Follow their pages on social media. Scan through their websites and about pages. Learn all that you can about the vendor to know if they truly connect with you. Because when you do, you are looking to see if they vibe with you. Step 3. Step 3 is to observe. Don't be shy and stalk their social media. If you like their style and direction, you will find what you're looking for. Why social media? Companies don't always take the time to update their websites. However, their Instagram is constantly being updated with either images or live feeds. Is this vendor process making sense? If it is, write love in the comments below. Step 4. You ask out. You're going to need to ask out your top 3 vendors. By this point, you should have a gut feeling when putting your top 3 together. Why 3? It is a respectable number when looking and comparing. Too many can be overwhelming. Once you have your top 3, you are going to go to the vendor's contact page and ask them out. Not in the way that you're thinking, but opening up the conversation of you potentially working together. Step 5, talk. Once you have started the conversation and the vendor is interested in you, you can iron out the details of your wedding and what you want for it. In order to do this, you need to make sure that you are communicating, really communicating. Make sure that you are on the same page. Read the contract. Figure out what type of communication works best for you. Is it text or phone or email? Know the best time and the best ways to communicate with each other. If you're serious about organizing and planning your wedding, then don't forget to grab my free resources to help guide you with planning your own wedding. You can grab it at the link below this video. Did this video help you? Are you going to use my S.C.O.U.T vendor formula? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!